openCV cannot detect small shapes using findContours. I'm trying to detect specific types of shapes, triangle, square, circle, in a binary image using cv2.findContours, and to color each type with different color. The following code works for big shapes, but it's not working for small shapes, about 10 times 10 px. The image I used before. And the result after. I'd be very thankful if you could try to help me solve this problem.
The second argument in cv2.approxBleep is called epsilon, which is maximum distance from contour to approximated contour. It is an accuracy parameter. A wise selection of epsilon is needed to get the correct output. The output of the same code with the following change.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.